Wondering what's the difference between average and instantaneous velocity? Let's solve this with a simple story. Arav is walking from home to school on a straight road. Riya then comes to him and asks him, if your house is 2 meters away from school and you took 10 seconds to reach the school, what was your velocity exactly at 2 seconds? Well, Arav thinks and says, my velocity would be distance by time, so 2 by 10, so 0.2 meters per second. But how would I know exactly at 2 seconds what my velocity was? Arav keeps thinking this in the classroom on how we can calculate velocity exactly at 2 seconds. Arav then asks Riya, what if I calculated my velocity this way? 2 meters divided by the 2 second, 0 to 2 second interval, 1 meters per second. Would that be my velocity at 2 seconds? Riya says that would be your velocity over the time period of 0 to 2 seconds, not the velocity exactly at 2 seconds. So what is the difference here? Velocity, which is given by displacement by time period, what we calculated initially is average velocity, where we consider displacement over a time period. If we want to calculate the velocity at an instant of time, we have to reduce this time period so small that it is almost 0 but not 0. So to reduce it 2 to 3 seconds, then 2 to 2.5 seconds and 2.1 seconds to see the time exactly, and slowly reduce the time gap, which is almost 0 but not 0, which gives rise to limit t tends to 0. Limit t tends to 0 displacement by time in the language of calculus can be written as derivative, which measures the rate of change in a very small time period. There are some standard formulas of derivatives which help us calculate the derivative, such as derivative of a constant is 0, derivative of x power n is n into x minus 1. So solving this, if the displacement of Arav is given by the equation 3 into t to the power of 2 plus 4, the velocity at 2 seconds would be differentiation of this displacement with respect to time, which would be equal to 60 based on the formulas that we saw. And the velocity at 2 seconds would be 6 into 2, 12 meters per second. Instantaneous velocity is hence velocity at an instant of time, which is different from average velocity, which is velocity over a time period. Hope this has solved your question regarding this. Subscribe to the channel for more such quick concepts where we do big learning in small time. Like this video and comment below which topic of CBSE 11th physics should be covered next.